For YouTubers, that's been a very major upgrade. You need to upgrade your channel and stuff, which is called the microphone, which I got in the Great Indian Festival on Amazon. So this is the microphone that I got. So I'm going to do 2 exclusive videos on this microphone, which unboxing video, this video, and a review video, another video I'm going to do. So stay tuned by subscribing down and following on my social media platforms, everything. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to qurrahtech. So in this channel, I'm videos, reviews, tutorials, and some unboxing videos like this one. And if you're new here, smash that YouTube subscribe red button which is down below. It'll be like a support to me, and follow me on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything. So let's start this video with a lot of time. So let me just take the box. So I received this Maono. They say that's Maono. Yeah, it's Maono something. So let's just start. Let me just keep the name Maono PM. That's AU-PM461TR. This microphone. This is the microphone I've been waiting a couple of months to get on the Amazon Prime deals. I mean the Great Indian Festival offers. I got this microphone approximately 1,899. After the offers, I got approximately 1,799 on 750, like that thing. So let's start the unboxing. So this is the package that I received from Amazon. So let me just cut it with my knife. So just a normal thing. And let me just open the box. Yeah, it's really cool. And the box is kind of, you can see it's kind of not good looking. The box is completely kind of tampered and crashed. You can see it's kind of broken. Oh my god, I think they just gave me some replaced item, I think so. And let me just open and pull the thing. Yeah, it's kind of black, some kind of like thermocol side stuff. So let me just take it off slowly. First of all, let me just take it off slowly, sorry for that. And oh yeah, it's kind of satisfying. And you can see here, and inside the box there's a manual. Yeah, the user manual, nothing is that inside the box. So user manual, it's kind of cool because all kind of stuff they have been mentioning here. So let me just keep it aside. And let me take the cardboard. Yeah, it says a kind of card happy that Maono purchase and stuff, QR code stuff. And inside the SILICA ball, which is just to keep unmoisturized. And this is the cable to connect the microphone to the USB, to the PC through USB cable. And then you have the tripod stand, which is really cool. Yeah, they just provide a stand just in case you are using on your desk. It's really cool. And here you can see the clamp, some kind of clamp is used to place your microphone here. And through this clamp and through this hole, you can just keep place this stand. And finally, let's take the microphone off. It's getting kind of cool cover. And this microphone, oh my god, it's really gorgeous. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's really good looking. You can also have the gain knob which is present here, plus and minus, all kind of stuff. And back you can see it has the port to connect it, and it's really a hand long. It's really tiny microphone, you can see here. And you cannot connect the tripod through this. I just thought I can connect it, and it is not connect. You have to insert the clamp first of all, like this, and through this clamp you can just insert the tripod through this one. It's really easy, very easy setup. Yeah, it's very easy. And through Audacity you can see it just connects and just works perfectly fine. So this is the first video I have been using through this microphone. It's a big update to my channel. And another one thing I have noticed is that there have been some kind of sounds coming up. I'm just recording this video on the day of Diwali, today, Thursday. So yeah, so you can hear this noise, and the noise floor is very silent. I didn't put anything on my background. You can see the noise floor. It's very quiet. Yeah, it's very quiet. I'll just do a review video later on. So that's all about the unboxing video on this Maono. And I also purchased this stand here. This is worth 500 rupees extra. That's not a big deal. And let's move on. So let me just talk about all the reviews and stuffs in my next video. So catch you in my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, follow all my things. So this is raees from qurrahtech. See you next video. Bye bye.